Little firefighters, Coco and Zoe,
heroes that everyone should know.
riding the truck so big and red,
Helping is fun,
is what they said.
Coco grabs his yellow helmet, round and shiny just like that. Zoe pulls her boots on tight to keep her safe and feeling right.
Into the cab they climb up high.
Wave to the people passing by.
Coco turns the wheel around.
Zoe hears the engine sound. Little firefighters, Coco and Zoe, heroes that everyone should know. Riding the truck so big and red, helping is fun,
Is what they said.
Look at the hose so long and black, tucked away on the silver rack. The ladder stretches to the sky for rescue missions way up high.
A little kitty needs some aid.
But our team is not afraid.
Zoe helps her down the tree.
Happy as a kitten can be.
A firefighter stands so tall.
He answers every hero's call.
He high-fives Coco and Zoe too.
Great work, team, he tells the crew. Little firefighters, Coco and Zoe, heroes that everyone should know. Riding the truck so big and red, helping is fun,
Is what they said.
we learn to stay so safe today. Fire safety is the hero's way. We know our gear and tools so well. A story of bravery we can tell.
We give a brave and proud salute.
In our yellow hero suit,
Together we are strong and grand.
best firefighters in the land.